Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered about that creamy, earthy lentil often found in Indian dishes? That's urad dal, also known as black gram, a true staple. It's incredibly nutritious, packed with protein and fiber, making it a wonderful addition to any meal. We're going to explore just how easy it is to prepare this versatile ingredient right in your own kitchen, bringing a taste of India directly to your home. Before you even think about cooking, proper preparation is key. First, thoroughly rinse your urad dal under cold, running water to remove any impurities. Then, the most important step, soaking. Place your rinsed dal in a bowl with ample water, letting it soak for at least 4 hours, though overnight is ideal. This simple step truly makes a big difference, ensuring the dal cooks evenly and becomes wonderfully tender. Once your urad dal is beautifully plump from soaking, drain off the old water and transfer it to a clean pot. Add fresh water, about 3 cups for every 1 cup of dal. Bring this to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook uncovered until the dal is wonderfully tender, which often takes about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll notice it becomes creamy and soft, ready for your favorite seasonings. Now let's talk about boosting that flavor. While your dal simmers, you can add a pinch of turmeric for color and a bay leaf for aroma. The real magic often happens with a tempering or tadka. Just heat some ghee or oil, then sizzle cumin seeds and a pinch of asafoetida until fragrant. Pour this aromatic mixture directly into your cooked dal. This simple step truly transforms the dish, making it wonderfully flavorful and simply irresistible. Your freshly cooked urad dal is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm alongside fluffy steamed basmati rice for a classic, comforting meal. It also pairs beautifully with warm flatbreads like roti or naan. For a final touch, garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of zesty lime juice, brightening all those wonderful flavors. Now you have a delicious and nutritious dish ready to savor, a truly wonderful addition to any home-cooked meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.